If a homeowner's already commenced proceedings in NCAT, which is where home building disputes get resolved, can a builder still utilise the security of payment laws to recover a progress payment that might be outstanding?
Absolutely, they can. So Section 32 of the Security of Payments Act gives a right to conduct actions against security of payment concurrently and sometimes in separate courts even to the action of the homeowner for defects or whatever their action may be. You also have a right to apply for adjudication while the NCAT proceedings are going on. They're completely separate rights. NCAT unfortunately doesn't have jurisdiction to deal with security of payments claims, so you can't have your security of payment matter resolved in NCAT in the same proceedings as the defects. However, you can concurrently, at the same time, run proceedings in the local court or the district court to claim for a statutory debt under security of payments, or probably more suitably in that situation, send the matter to adjudication.
And in what situations, I mean, it sounds like there's a lot going on.
Yeah.
Why would you have them both going at the same time?
Strategy, because if you're a builder and you're successful on recouping money that the homeowner pays you, one of the things that you've done is depleted the homeowner's fighting fund. So you're taking the money that they're spending on suing you away from them and putting it in your pocket to defend their lawsuit against you. So it's very much strategic, but also because basic cash flow reasons in a building company get that money in as fast as you can, like any business.
Yeah, and I think if you have that enforceable right, then that can be used as leverage to try and negotiate a settlement as well. I mean, I guess the point to make there is that whilst you can have these concurrent matters going on, the rights that accrue under the Building and Construction Industry Security of Payment Act, they're not final. They give you an enforceable right subject to a final determination by the tribunal, yes, or by a court.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And there's a provision of the Home Building Act that essentially says that the tribunal's to take any security of payments into account when they're calculating the final payouts to the homeowner or builder.
And do you have to wait for NCAT proceedings to be commenced before you can enforce rights under security of payment laws?
No, they're completely separate rights.
Yeah. And in fact, if you're a builder, you'd be looking to utilise security of payment laws as a first step. It's the first thing to look at.
Absolutely. I mean, if time for payment's gone by and you haven't been paid, security of payment laws should be your go-to.